explain reflex arc. But Shrey, understand this. Or this question can be explain how is hand pulled away from the hot object reflexly. Okay. So Shrey, if accidentally nothing is here, I have to make here what? Here is a hot cup of tea, let us say, from which steam is coming out. This is a hot cup of tea. Accidentally, if we touch this hot object, what will happen? First of all, the heat will be received from by the receptor which is present in our skin. Which receptor is present in our skin? Thermoreceptor, you can say, or you can say thigmoreceptor. Here, thermoreceptor, which will detect the temperature, heat will be received, and through the neuron, डेंड्राइट से होते हुए एक्सॉन से होते हुए ये पाथ पे जाना स्टार्ट करेगा. इंफॉर्मेशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल impulses. Information in nerve cell passes through electrical impulse. इलेक्ट्रिकल इम्पल्स क्रिएट होगा. ये जो मैसेज है, जो हीट है, वो इलेक्ट्रिकल इम्पल्स के थ्रू ये न्यूरॉन से ब्रेन की तरफ जाने निकल जाएगा. और ये जो न्यूरॉन है, जो ये इंफॉर्मेशन लेके जा रहा है, उस न्यूरॉन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सेंसरी न्यूरॉन. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सेंसरी न्यूरॉन, विच इज collecting the information and taking towards brain. Okay, so through the hand, through the shoulder, it will come towards the spinal cord. This is the spinal cord where all the nerves from the body are meeting and going towards brain. Okay, यहाँ पर आने के बाद ये मैसेज जा रहा है. कहाँ जा रहा है? मैसेज टू ब्रेन. ये मैसेज नॉर्मली जो ब्रेन के पास जाना है वो जाता रह रहा है, बट दिस message is very urgent message. Action has to be taken urgently. So as a result, this message will be transferred through which neuron is here? Relay neuron. There is a neuron which is called as relay neuron. This neuron will pass the information from the sensory neuron to another neuron which is called as here motor neuron, to motor neuron, and information will be passed that action has to be taken immediately and we have to remove our hand immediately. So immediately the information will from sensory neuron to relay neuron, and from relay neuron to motor neuron will pass, and it will reach to the effector, and immediately hand will be pulled. Normally the message is going to the brain, and brain will come to know about this event and it will think, but it's an urgent situation which has to be, action has to be taken urgently. So quick action will be taken through this arc, and this is called as reflex arc. Okay, reflex arc is what? A connection between the sensory nerve and motor nerve. Sensory nerve and motor nerve, and in between what is there? Along with the spinal cord here, along with the spinal cord, or you can say along with the relay neuron, is called as reflex arc.